Hi everyone, thank you for watching Kitchen Colony, and if it's your first time, thank you for joining us. Now today I'll be preparing a traditional drink which is called pineapple drink, and this is different because it is made from the skin of pineapple. Now this drink can be at any time of the year, but usually it is served with a Sunday meal, and this is usually prepared Saturday evenings. So sit back and watch me as I prepare this drink the way my mother did it. Now in my sink I have two large pineapples and I am cleaning it. Now if you have vegetable fruit soap, you use a little and scrub. Then after you use your vinegar to wash again. Make sure your fruit is actually clean because remember we're going to use the skin. We put our pineapples away for a little while to drain and then get ready to peel. I find slicing my pineapples and then peel much easier, but you can peel it the way you prefer. My mother used to stick a fork in and then slice coming down, but I find that slicing it like this and just peeling around is quicker for me. I found these pineapples to be extremely sweet, and I don't know if that really influenced the taste, but it was so refreshing. I peeled it deep so that I would eliminate those seed pockets. I didn't have much to cut out, so cut it deep enough. You could also cut the heart out and use it in your drink, but I don't mind eating the heart. It reminds me of sugar cane. And in the Caribbean, nothing is wasted. The skin, the seed pockets, nothing is wasted. This is the following day. I placed my skin in the freezer. Now I've taken it out for about 10 minutes and I'm ready to start brewing now. Now we're going to look at our ginger. Now you add the amount of ginger you like. You can add more or less. And I'm adding something that I saw my mother using, dried orange peel. Now we'll put this in the pot. To give it that beautiful yellow color, we use a little piece of turmeric along with the ginger. I'm going to blend the gingers together, but you can pound it. If you had the fresh one, you pound it. I had mine in the freezer, so I have to blend it. Adding a little water to start blending. Half cup of water. Pour your blended mixture over the skin, and then we're going to add some boiling water. This amount will make 3 liters, so I'm adding 1.5 liters of hot water to start the brewing, and I'm going to put it on the stove and allow the kettle to boil again, then I add it to it. Allow this to brew for 20 minutes and then you cover it. As soon as the kettle boils, I'll be adding some more water to it. Now as soon as you get to this stage, just bubbling, you turn the stove off and cover halfway to allow it to cool. It's the next morning and I'm removing all the skin from the liquid. Now it's time to strain the liquid. Now because I blended the ginger, I have to strain it twice, and in the next clip you'll see me using a piece of cloth to make sure it is very smooth and you don't have the residue. You know, that would be a turn off. You may use a spoon to help the mixture go through much quicker. For the next step, you'll need sugar, some orange juice, and a piece of lemon. Now, if you have fresh orange, that would be great. You know, you could squeeze at least 2 because you need at least a cup of orange juice. We don't want too much because we don't want to overpower the taste of the pineapple. You know, we just want a little. The amount of sugar you add is up to you. For me, I added 1.5 cups of sugar. Now you get this yellow color, this bright yellow color from the turmeric. If you don't have the turmeric, then it will be a pale yellow and it does not affect the taste at all. It will taste just as great. But I like to see that strong yellow color, you know, representing the pineapple. You pour and taste as you go along. So I'm using half now and I'm going to taste. As you don't want orange juice overpower your pineapple. You only want a hint of lemon, but if you want more, then you may add it. Here we have it, refreshing pineapple drink. Ah, this is so refreshing, especially on a very hot day. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. You must have this chilled or over ice. Here we have it, a simple, healthy, delicious, cost-effective drink. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share. And if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I upload another video. And guys, please help me to grow this channel. I do enjoy cooking and I do enjoy sharing what I'm cooking with you. So we'll work together to make this channel grow. Thank you again for watching and bye-bye.